Hello students, welcome to the channel and you are watching the Ultimate English Teacher and Lecturer. Students, in this video I will discuss about the long answer type question answer of the chapter The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role. Question 1. Why does Nani Palkhiwala call the Earth the ailing planet? How can the ailing planet survive? The science answer. The science of Earth connected with life necessary for staying alive show that the Earth is a patient in declining health. Its deserts are advancing, landscapes are being improvised, and environment is ailing. Aerial photograph using satellite has revealed that the environment has deteriorated very badly in many parts of the world. In fact, it has became critical in many of the 88 countries investigated. The concept of the sustainable development and green movement can help the ailing planet to survive. People must discharge their moral responsibility as stewards of the planet and trustees of the legacy of the future generations. The plundering of the natural resources should be controlled. These must be preserved for the future generations. Question number 2. What are the Earth's principal biological system? Why have they been depleted and how can they be preserved? Answer. The Earth has four principal biological systems. These are fisheries, forests, grassland and croplands. They form the basis of the world's economic system. They supply us food and raw materials for industry. These biological systems are being depleted by excessive use. Overfishing is quite common. Forests are being destroyed to obtain firewood for cooking. In many areas of the world, these biological systems have reached an unsustainable level. Grasslands are turning into deserts and produce from croplands is decreasing. It seems they have lost their productivity. The decimations of forest is likely to cause extinction of several species. We must change our outlook and stop overusing the natural resources. We have to hand them over to the coming generations in a healthy state so that they can meet their needs. Consciousness of our moral responsibility as caretakers of the legacy of our children can help to preserve these non-renewable resources. Question number 3. Forest precedes mankind, deserts follow. Examine the validity of this remark in the light of reading The Ailing Planet, the green movement's role. Answer. Forests are one of the most important biological systems on the earth. They came into existence much before mankind. In this sense, forests precede mankind. We have inherited large tracts of forest from our forefathers. Forests are the powerhouse of the evolution. Several species of life exist in them. The world's ancient inheritance of tropical forest is now wearing away at the rate of 40 to 50 million acres per year. In poor countries, local forests are being destroyed to procure fuel wood. It is estimated that a five-fold increase in the rate of the forest planting is needed to cope with the expected fuel wood demand in year 2000. It is the responsibility of the state to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife. However, large areas named as the forest land are now treeless. As the forests disappear, deserts will follow. We must take timely steps to prevent this. Question number 4. For the first time in human history, we see a transcending concern, the survival not just of the people but of the planet. Elucidate. Answer. In the 20th century, there has been a revolutionary change in human perceptions. We have begun to take a holistic view of the very basis of our existence. The earth is now regarded as a living organism of which we are parts. It has its own metabolic needs and processes necessary for staying alive, which need to be respected and preserved. The environment problem does not necessarily indicate our death. It is our passport for the future. A new world vision has emerged. It is a holistic view, an ecological view. This regards the world as a whole rather than a collection of isolated parts. This vision has used in the era of responsibility. Industrialists, politicians, and writers have become environment friendly and realized their responsibility in preserving the non renewable natural resources. Students, don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get all the videos at first. Thank you for watching.